Now with your Storm Team weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Chris Ramirez. Sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Well, looking at our current rain situation, we are doing quite well in terms of that yearly rainfall. Here's a look at that as we currently go into the end of March here. Their yearly normal rainfall is supposed to be around 20.52 inches, but so far we have received 5.98 inches for the month of March, 1.45, and the observed rainfall that we received this month is 3.12. So looking at this entire situation, we are now 2.25 inches above our yearly normal for us here in San Angelo at Mathis Field. Like I said, the observed rainfall that we received this year so far has been 5.98. So therefore, seeing those really good rain chances for the next 7 days there. And as we go into the weekend, we are expecting another weather system to move through as we go into the end of this week, bringing us some scattered rain chances for Friday, literally lasting into Saturday, and then more widespread storm chances in the picture going into next Sunday there, but a little bit of a quiet weather pattern for the next couple of days for us here in terms of the rest of the work week. Looking at those weather headlines, those skies will be clearing for tonight, those highs back into the 80s eventually as we go into Wednesday and Thursday there, and then that cold front, we're expecting a cold front to move through Thursday night into Friday morning. It's not really going to bring too much changes in terms of our high temperatures, but other than that, just bring in those rain changes because we are dealing with a Pacific cold front that's going to be moving through, which really doesn't change our temperatures that much. But looking for the past 6 hours, we started off this morning with some showers, but of course cleared out to sunny conditions just this afternoon there. Just still seeing some upper level clouds currently in the picture as our skies begin to very gradually start to clear out as we head into those overnight hours. But right now outside, 70 degrees, winds out of the west at 14 miles an hour. Across the state of Texas, in the upper 40s in Amarillo, 63 in Midland, 69 in San Antonio. They're sitting at 58 degrees in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So we're watching this weather system over the south central U.S., bringing in a lot of dry air just to the north of the Concho Valley, but basically just seeing this upper level low that's moving through the area, bringing in a cold front. We did see that Pacific cold front move through the Concho Valley already, just bringing some dry air, not really too much changes in terms of that weather forecast there, but seeing clear skies with occasional cloud cover from San Angelo all the way to the south. Most of those storms are remaining well off towards the east there in portions of East Texas, but other than that, mostly quiet conditions here in the Concho Valley, and that's what we're going to continue to see as we head into the next several hours. Those winds out of the west at 14 miles an hour. We were seeing some wind gusts up to 25, 30 miles an hour in our western areas, but now those winds are slowly starting to die down into the about 10, 15 miles an hour range. Looking at that futurecast, clear skies, overnight lows in the 60s. Since we're dealing with drier air, our overnight lows are going to be dipping down into the low 50s, so expect tomorrow morning to be a little bit chilly if you're heading out the door to work or school, or actually just work, as we head into the next several hours there with more cloud cover on the way going into the next several hours. But looking at our next 7 days, highs in the 70s, we're going to have a quiet and calm weather pattern for the state of Texas as we head into the middle of this week there. But going into Thursday, we are expecting this cold front to move on through from the west. It's going to bring some rain chances for Friday. This front's going to stall over the Concho Valley as we head into the weekend, therefore keeping those rain chances in the picture for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. More widespread rain chances expected as we head into Sunday there. We could see an occasional thunderstorm as we go into the start of next week. But tonight, expect those overnight lows to drop down into the 50s. Skies clearing, winds out of the west at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow topping out at 75 degrees. As we head into the next 7 days, expect those temperatures to remain in the 70s and 80s. Quiet conditions expected until Thursday. As that front moves through Friday, that's when we're going to start seeing those rain chances start ramping up for the weekend. Overnight lows in the low 50s, but those low highs remaining in the low 70s going into Saturday and Sunday. We're going to see some lingering showers in the forecast for next Monday morning. We'll be right back.